Hello guys, you're welcome back to my kitchen. If today is your first time, you're welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare tomato stew. I have only fruit tomato here. I have red bell pepper, red chili, onion, maggi, salt, garlic, ginger and onion blended together. I have cow leg. So now let's go. I will start by frying my cow leg. I'm not going to boil them, I will just fry them. Guys, you can see the cow leg on the fire. The other side I have tomato already blend. I will cook it till the water will dry. Guys, you can see now it's ready. I will remove it now. Guys, after frying the cow leg, this is what we have. Now I'm going to put it inside the stew. See the stew, I've boiled it like 30 minutes. So now put the cow leg inside for it to be soft. Hello guys, after the meat has cooked for 20 minutes, now I'm going to add maggi and salt. Maggi, salt, then I'll add vegetable oil. You can put any oil of your choice. Guys, you can see now our stew is ready. I'll go ahead and off the fire now. Guys, our stew is ready. You can eat it with rice, you can eat it with plantain, you can eat it with bread, spaghetti, so it depends on your choice. Guys, our stew and cow leg is ready. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.